Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Facebook automation software to automatically post on Facebook group. And here is my Facebook loan account. And the first thing we need is a content to post. So I already made some here, and you can add content like this. If you want to upload with image, you can click here, choose a picture in your computer like this, and then type in your content like hello maybe, and like this, and you click save content. Alright, so now we got a content to post on the group, and let's go to my group. Yes, it's one of my testing group. I use this group to show you the automation tool. And here we gonna need the ID of that group, and it's right here. And now we're gonna set up all these number. You can see it here. And if you don't understand what these mean, you can see the instruction right here. You can see the red here, the red letter right here. And now all I need is click start, and oh wait, I need to choose content. Alright, let's say I'm gonna choose this ABC. Yeah, load. Yeah, click ABC and click save. So it's gonna choose this ABC content right here to post on my group. And now all we need is click start.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
You can see my group right here. You can see it. Yeah, my group right here. And now these my Facebook clone account gonna start to post on the group right here. Right, creating post. So they're gonna type in ABC. Yeah, ABC right here. You can see this one is posting. Alright.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, so they all post now. I can reload the group to check. Yeah, you can see right here ABC and ABC, and just like that, this automation software gonna keep running until your chosen account right like this they finish posting on the group of your choice. And that's about it. And that is how to automatically post on group by MKT Care automation software for Facebook. And if you are interested in the software, you can contact me on Telegram right here to buy the software. The price for this is $200 for 1 year, and $600 for a lifetime using service. And contact me on Telegram if you want to buy it. Bye bye, see you later.